My name is Mathieu. I'm CTO and co-founder at Swan. I've been in software engineering for 12 years. During this period, I spent some time at a prestigious consulting firm at Paris and eventually created my own in 2016. After 2 years, I was ready to jump into the deep end to build Swan with my co-founders. Swan's platform is a banking as a service. It's a challenging product to build. We use many languages and tools to create it. First, let's talk about the frontend. Swan aims to build the most simple, robust, and powerful UX possible. So we built it in React Native Web, TypeScript, and without a state library like Redux. This makes our interfaces responsive, accessible, and light. Swan uses the GraphQL API protocol. It's the only one we use. It's quite an edgy choice. Many startups use it, but at Swan, we really push the power of GraphQL for a more advanced use. GraphQL is an incredible experience for our customer because they can pick and choose exactly which part of the API they want to use. On the backend, we use 2 runtimes to develop our microservices. First, we used the Java virtual machine and the languages Kotlin and Scala to develop the payment domain. We also have many other services developed in Node.js and TypeScript. They deal with things like the backoffice and the consent mechanism. All microservices communicate with each other via message brokers. The infrastructure is set up and maintained with infrastructure tools such as Terraform. Everything is hosted in Kubernetes on AWS in Europe. Our main technical challenges have always been to ensure consistency and quality in development. Most recently, we are focused on the scalability of our system. Our platform has more and more functionalities and is being used for a huge variety of use cases. We have to improve and evolve our system to deliver the best quality service scaled for all of Europe. For a long time, we followed Scrum at Swan, but since the end of 2021, we switched methods. We use another approach close to the shape-up methodology. Co-building is central to how we work. Each month, product and engineering members plan what they'd like to do in the next 3 weeks. During these weeks, each team does the best to reach goals and at the same time, they plan and design projects for the next cycle. Once the cycle is done, it's the cool-down week. We use this week to take care of remaining tasks, especially technical stuff, and to improve tools and processes. Then we start another cycle. Open source is really important at Swan. Our front-end team members are pioneering this at Swan and they are the most active on this topic. We already have 4 open source libraries on the swan.io GitHub account. More backend contributions are on the way. Swan gives you the opportunity to work on stimulating and interesting problems with a modern tech stack. We are sure to learn a lot if you join. All the teams in the company, not only the tech, work really well together, which I think is not so common.